Kenneth and I worked on a food plot out there. We did maybe, I don't know if it was a quarter of an acre or half an acre, but it's a pretty good size. And we used the seed spreader here thing to do that. And I'm going to show you what we had picked up. I didn't tear the bottom. Anyway, we've got two different bags. One bag is the Hunter Series Mega Plot, Hunter Series Wild Game Food Plot. But anyway, it says it covers 22,000 square foot, but we didn't use the entire bag. You can see down there the different seeds. So we go down in there, kind of really close so you can see some of the seeds. So anyway, this one, I'm going to go back here and read to you the ingredients of this one, which is, see if I can find it. Where are you? Oh, there we go. The Mega Plot Hunter Series Wildlife Mixture. So it's got a couple of different wheats, like 3 different wheats, 4 different wheats. It's got oats. There's another wheat, another wheat, another wheat. It's got turnips. It's got different types of clover, other crop inert stuff. But anyway, it's got a bunch of good stuff in there that will grow out there for those, for the, for the animals. We are in zone 7. So if you notice here, zone 7 is this lighter green color. So we're in zone 7. Even though it's June, I went ahead and put it out, and we are getting rain. So anyway, that's one bag, and the other bag is here. Let me show you what we got here. I'm gonna see if you can look at the seed on the inside. All right, see the seed? I can't get down in there close like I did the other one, but that's a good bit of good seed. We did not use the entire bags for that plot. This is for the Imperial. It's the No Plow Whitetail Institute one. But anyway, I wanted the food plot to be good for the animals, and they say it's going to look similar to this right here. But this one has ryegrass, rapeseed, clover, another type of rapeseed plant, another type of clover, another type of clover. It's got radishes. So this is great. Where the other one has turnips and radishes, this one has radishes. But what I'm looking for, I'm hoping to be able to get just a big old bag of nothing but but turnip seeds, so that I can have a field of turnips and turnip greens. A lot of farmers use turnips in their turning rows along the edges of their fields as cover crop, and deer love, the greens off of the turnips and the radishes and other odds and ends like that too. So anyway, I'm going to put that back in here, and I'm going to take a walk, and I'm going to show you. Turn that back over. I'm going to take a walk and show you where we spread this around. One thing you should always do, spray yourself with some good bug repellent. This one happens to be called Repel, and it repels mosquitoes, ticks, gnats, Biting flies, chiggers, and fleas. Effective, long-lasting protection. Kitty cat, get out of the way. I'm getting ready to spray bug spray. Move. Jeez. Okay. She'll move in just a second. Always make sure to lift your pants up and do your ankles and your socks as well. Because, you know, you really just don't want those ticks on you, because ticks can carry different types of, you know, like Lyme disease, other odds and ends like that. Just give yourself a good dousing. This is the same pair of pants and socks and shoes I wore when I was out there. We kind of mowed it down and everything. But anyway, right out there, I don't know if you can see it, but we mowed a straight trail out right there. So I'm going to walk there, and then on this side of that crazy looking cedar tree there, just on this side is where we mowed and did spread the seed. Let's see, I'm going to go in out there and show you. Of course, we've been collecting cardboard for the raised bed gardens that we just haven't gotten started yet. And we got some composted cow manure, some composted humus there. Got some fencing. You know, so we got a start on it, don't we? What happened here? Something pee on my cardboard? Oh, jeez. I tell you, animals just do the craziest things. Okay. Alright. There's my path that we mowed. So I'm going to walk down that. And I'm just going to kind of scan around a little bit. Kind of look at things. The sky looks like it may rain today. I do feel a little sprinkling, which is good because we need the rain, especially after we seeded out here. And let me go ahead and walk on down here. And one thing I've noticed, Kenneth and I did a oh, look at there. That's fresh deer poop. Don't step in the fresh deer poop. But yeah, we've been seeing a lot of deer out here, and we've been seeing a lot of turkey, a lot more turkey than we had before. Especially right here in this little plot that we seeded. Well, I said half an acre or a fourth of an acre. I think it looks like it's less than a fourth of an acre now. When we were mowing it, it seemed so much bigger. So anyway, I guess you can tell where we mowed right here. Starting kind of like follow my finger, you know, down, you know, kind of like right there, and then up here and then back. And it's grown back since we mowed it. Some of it didn't get mowed down like some of those tall spriggly things, but we came out here with that spreader and spread a bunch of seed out here, hoping that this would give us a good little plot for the deer and apparently the turkey as well. And but today we're going to be working on our second food plot. Yeah, we definitely need some rain. You can tell how it's kind of dry out here. But we're slowly working on compost piles. And since we mowed out here, I had the bagger and the little mower. I figured we'd just start a compost pile right there. It was convenient, easy. Right here next to this crazy looking cedar tree. And of course the kitty cat's got to follow me all the way out here. Kitty cat, you want to take a walk? That's Little Puff. Little Puff likes to walk with me. Bill the cat's probably curled up somewhere taking him a nap because Bill the cat was up all night. I think Bill the cat sensed that there was a critter out here, probably a predator of some type. So he was kind of freaked out a little bit last night. But anyway, I'm hoping that not too long from now we'll be able to have a couple of food plots going. All right, well, anyway, I looked at the weather. It's supposed to rain later today, and it looks like it may be raining all day tomorrow. So I'm going to get busy on that other food plot. I got to mow it down, and then we're going to get the garden tiller out, and we're just going to break up the top inch or so of the soil, just to kind of, be able to spread the seed and then rake it in, because the seed that I've got for the second food plot is more corn and sunflowers. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to work on that, and we're going to try to get it done before it starts raining, and that way maybe before long we'll have two food plots going, two totally different types of food plots, and one for the deer and one for the birds. When I say birds, I mean chickens, turkeys, ducks, because I like to raise some ducks too. But we're also going to have some rabbits, so I'm gonna end up raising some rabbits. I don't have any right now, but I do plan on building some rabbit hutches, so I'm going to do a bunch of videos on that. And also, oh, look at this. Another big deer poop. We've got deer poop. So, Little Puff, where'd you go? Little Puff. Little Puff. Where are you? Geez, I hope a predator didn't get you. Come on. Come on, Little Puff. Well, he'll show up here in a little while. Oh, there he is. Come on, Little Puff. You need to... Were you hiding? Okay. Yeah, well, come on. Let's walk the trail. We had walked, or Kenneth had cut a trail up this way with the lawnmower. Kind of makes it a little nicer. We're not going through the taller weeds. As you can see how some of these weeds, they're not really tall. They're like knee-high, maybe a little bit more knee-high, some of them. But still, you don't want to go walking around a bunch of weeds that are, always rubbing up against you. Thought I heard an owl. But there's a spot where deer go in and out of the fence. I'm wondering what that is. Let me go look. Horse manure, probably. Get out of the way. I think those are horse manure. Because there were horses back here. Yeah, I think that's horse manure. Cat, are you loving on the horse manure? Loving on the horse manure? Oh, you crazy cat. What? What? Loving on the horse manure? Oh no, I knew you were crazy, but now you're just doing this for the camera, aren't you? Huh? You just doing that for the camera? Crazy cat. Alright, get back down to my trail. Freaking crazy cat. Little bits of horse manure out there. Alright. Oh, here's a spot where there was a campfire. I think I need to move this down and kind of fix it up as a another little nice little spot for a campfire. Oh, yeah. What I was trying to say earlier was Kenneth and I did a walk, looked at all the trees out on the property. Well, not all of them, but most of them, I guess. I don't know, maybe 20% of them, whatever. But we've got oak trees, right? Because they make acorns. We've got walnut trees. And we have, what do they call them? Shit. Anyways, the ones they roast over an open fire at Christmas. I can never remember the name of those darn things when I want to. Chestnuts, there we go. We got chestnuts out here. All right.